mission. Hubble isn't just a satellite. It's about humanity's quest for knowledge. There are a few people that are very special to Hubble that I'd like to thank. Lyman Spitzer and John Bacall, both deceased, but without whom we wouldn't have a Hubble Space Telescope or this amazing adventure. Others who are still with us and being very productive scientists, Steve Beckwith, and our President Bill Smith, Senator Mikulski, and Ed Weiler, without whom we wouldn't have a servicing mission 4, and of course, Mike Griffin. I think we'd all agree that without SEPI, none of this would have happened. It's a tour de force of tools and human ingenuity. This mission in particular, as Arthur C. Clarke says, the only way of finding the limits of the possible is by going beyond them into the impossible. And on this mission, we tried some things that many people said was impossible: fixing stiff, repairing ACS, achieving all the content that we have in this mission. But we've achieved that, and we wish Hubble the very best. It's really a sign of the great country that we live in that we're able to do things like this on a marvelous spaceship like Space Shuttle Atlantis. And I'm convinced that if we can solve problems like repairing Hubble, getting to space, doing the servicing we do, traveling 17,500 miles an hour around the Earth, that we can achieve other great things like solving our energy problems and our climate problems. All things that are in the middle of NASA's prime and core values. As Drew and I go into the airlock, I want to wish Hubble its own set of adventures, and with the new instruments we've installed, that it may unlock further mysteries of the universe.
I'm going to select
5 seconds. The mode switch is in auto. 3, 2, 1, release. I'm backing away.
I see you got it open.
Clear the pin.
Clear the pin. Mode switch is in off. Clear the antenna.
1856. Yeah, that's coming out now.
Ray J, I'm calling for 10 down pulses when we do this and report the MET. See you moving away nicely, Maggie.
We're going to get away from the antenna as well.
Okay.
Okay, I'm 5 feet from the telescope, not yet 5 feet from the antenna.
And I'll need the time when you do the Scooter, but I think I'm going to hear it.
You will.
Yeah. And
I'd call that 5 feet, Megan. You got to go for course if you want.
And just verify your flight control power's on.
Flight control power's on.
Okay, motion is stopped, Scooter.
Okay, here comes the burn. 10 down pulses. Mark.
7. That's like 20.
Okay, that's 10.
Okay.
Flight controller's off.
20. Okay, I need the mic.
Oh, baby, look at that.
At Houston Atlantis with Set 1 burn, MET 1857 24 feet.
Okay, is that the keel camera on monitor 2 for me?
28.
The actual monitor 2?
With center of HST, bottom half of keel, Scooter, and neutral.
31.
There it is, Scooter.
Okay.
35.
Thank you.
Opening.
Supposed to be at a ref ball of about 65. You said 35 opening?
Yep.
Do you have a H dot?
Yeah, it's about 65 of the ref ball.
Okay.
Stand by for your neutral.
Yeah, it's just bouncing off the 81 feet.
Okay, let me pull you down.
1.2 is what it showed, but I think that
Through 40. Okay, that's good.
that's good. 240 is all you need.
You got a smaller launch time.
1.3.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Range 99 feet.
That's the shot.
150.
John, how's
150
Sunpoint?
feet.
Thanks.
Check receiver 2 lock.
We have receiver 2 lock.
Okay,
156
check PCH mode to some point.
Not yet.
Yeah, a little more time. Thank you.
Oh, 0.8.
The scooter at 0050 is when I show 3 plus 30 to the 5720.
Okay. Do you have your maneuver ready to go?
I'm putting them in now.
You can do the item 19.
Hey, John.
This good?
Yeah.
Got this?
Yes.
You grab this thing? Yeah. Thanks.
Feet.
20 seconds, scooter.
20 seconds for the maneuver.
Right, I got
1.4.
13, 90, 00, Omicron 0.
Okay.
Shoot up the item 19.
Go ahead and give me the item 19.
Okay, intense in about 8 seconds.
For what?
3 plus 30. The 5720. Here we go.
Just keep shooting that thing. Yeah.
27 auto burn scooter.
Not, you said at 5 minutes. I thought you said we were at 3:30. Are you at 5 minutes?
No, I queued it up.
Okay, go ahead and give me
I
the
did it, and
give me the
just
19.
give me the auto when you're.